Hey y'all, it's Kitty and I am here with my mom.
Hey, I'm here with my daughter.
So today I wanted to do a sort of like a get ready with me
I'll
where
get ready with you.
I do something and I have my mom try and mimic it, and we'll see if I'm good at teaching people how to do their own makeup. I'm not great at doing makeup on other people, but I want to see if I'm good at teaching other people to do makeup. So the plan is that my mom is going to use mostly the E.L.F Mad for Matte Summer Breeze eyeshadow palette, and I am going to use mostly my single shadows, and we're going to see if we can get a similar look, because I like to use my single shadows, but I know that buying single shadows can get expensive, and I know a lot of you are beginners, so you don't want to buy single shadows.
Yeah, I can't afford it because I have a mortgage to pay. Excited.
So the first step is eyeshadow primer, as always.
Always on your ring finger. Why?
Ring or middle finger is generally your best bet because they're more delicate than your pointer finger at putting things on your eyes. Okay. The first thing is usually to set the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using my Real Techniques 200 brush, and my mom is going to be using a Wet n Wild fluffy brush. And you just take the lightest shade in the palette.
This one.
Which is generally a similar tone to the skin of your eyelids.
Mm-hmm.
And just gently tap your brush in and pack that on top of the eyeshadow primer to set it.
I didn't really put a lot on.
Well, yeah, you're not supposed to see it. It's just supposed to set the eyeshadow primer. So I'm planning on doing a soft pink eye today, and so the shade I'm going to go into is Soft Core by Colourpop, and the shade that I would suggest you go into is this one. This one.
Okay, bring it close to me so I can see.
All right. One. And what you're going to do is put that in your crease. Generally, I start in the outer corner.
Oh, I started in the inner corner.
That's okay. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to start blending that, because what you want to see it. So you want to bring that up just a little bit more, because my mom has very hooded eyes.
Hey,
which is just a statement, just the way you have red hair.
That's not
natural. By bringing it up a little more, you can see it when you open your eyes. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
You want to see it above your crease when you open your eyes. Yeah, so you want to bring it up a little bit so it's above.
Maybe I need the remedial class.
Now, I'm good at my eye shape. This is one of the things, is that I'm not skilled in doing eyeshadow on your eye shape, which is why this is going to be interesting.
My eye shape, I would call it old.
So we were both using the E.L.F blending eye brush.
It's so cute.
And now we're both going to go into my color switch. Usually it has a piece in the middle, but I left that downstairs when I grabbed all my newly cleaned brushes. And so you just rub it in the color switch.
Oh, this just gets all the extra color off of it?
Yeah, it just gets all the extra pigments so that you can go into a different shade and have it look different. Once again, this is not a substitution for cleaning your brushes. You still have to clean your brushes. It's just a way that you don't have to use 20 brushes in a single look.
So if I have a blush brush that I have used for about 2.5 years, but never have formally cleaned it.
You should clean it. I can clean it with when I have to clean all my my face brushes right here. I have to clean them, so I can clean your brush with mine if you want.
That's so sweet of you, daughter.
So next we're going to put some brown in our outer corners. My mom is going to use this brown shade here. This brown shade here. I'm going to use a mixture of Chocolatier by Coastal Scents and Desert Vibes from the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette to try and get that mid-tone brown. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put that just in the outer corner. So from the bottom of the lid up to a little bit, or about where we put the pink, maybe a third of the way in, just lightly to darken up the outer corner.
I didn't even put on makeup like this for my wedding.
Yeah, well now you have a daughter who's interested in makeup, so. So we're probably going to want to clean up the edges of that, but yeah.
I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty.
I feel like you're being sarcastic.
No. No, I'm not.
Well, I still have to do the other eye, which is always the harder one because it's farther away from my face, so I can't see it as well because I'm blind without my glasses.
Your eye is not farther away
no,
from
I have
your
to
face.
I have to hold the mirror farther away from my face.
You're going to have to do a video for women who want to be ready to go in 3 minutes in the morning.
If you want to be ready to go in 3 minutes, don't do eye makeup the way I do it. That's your first tip.
A really good tip.
So this is what I look like.
Remember, I'm a beginner. This is like a remedial class for me.
So my suggestion is that you need to do a little bit more blending. And the way I find it works best to be the most delicate is to hold the brush at the very end.
Good tip.
Because then you're not putting as much pressure on it. It's a lot more of a light touch.
Since you're filming me, I'm trying really hard not to make like a funny face as I'm,
Oh, I make funny faces all the time. Oh, that looks much better.
Okay.
When all else fails, keep blending.
E.L.E.N.D.
And that's why I love my E.L.F. blending brush so much, because it's a blending brush. I might be having a giveaway with one of these coming up.
I also like this brush because it's just very aesthetically pleasing.
So we're going to do one last step, and that is going to be put a shimmer on our eyelids.
Okay.
Because that always makes the eyelid pop, and it's pretty. So I have this NYX Single Shadow that I don't know the name of because I depotted it because I never used my individual single shadows, and I figured I'd use it more if I put it in a palette. And what I'm going to do is just take my finger.
Why a finger, not a brush?
Because the finger picks up the shimmer pigment in a different way. I don't know the science behind it. I just know it works differently. And then I'm going to pat that all over my lid.
Should I use my pointer?
I like to use my pointer finger because I can get a more precise application.
So all over the part that it has the eyeshadow on it already?
All over your mobile lid. So you're going to want to go underneath your crease.
Uh-oh, I got some underneath my eye.
It's okay, we have Q-tips and makeup remover.
I like it. Do I look 18 again?
Totally. I don't look 18 though. So this is the final look.
Will you put anything up over here? Or no? Above?
I don't put anything on my brow bone because my brows are not defined enough, so it always looks kind of funny. So now I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in 611 Yogurt, and what I'm going to do with this is highlight the inner corner. So what you're gonna do, it's a crayon essentially, and you're just gonna
Oh, I see.
highlight your inner corner.
All right, here goes nothing.
I tend not to share my eye makeup. I definitely don't share my mascara. I share my eyeliner with Robin, but only when she's not using it on her eyes. I generally don't care about face makeup sharing. I do tend to be a little bit particular, not nearly as much as some people, but a little bit particular about eye makeup. I definitely don't use eye brushes until I've cleaned them after I've either used them on someone else or someone else has used them.
So do you ever do your brows?
I don't do my brows. I like my brows the way they are. They're big and thick and bushy, which is trendy. I am too late. Everyone says that brows are the step that they dislike the most, but they feel the most like they need to do. And I feel very strongly that makeup is something that I'm not obligated to do. And brows just don't seem enjoyable to me. Everyone says it's their least favorite step, and makeup is something that I do because I enjoy it.
Okay.
So I don't do my brows.
Okay.
Um,
So how do my eyes look, and how could I improve it? Does it just need more blending, or does it look good?
so can I have you get up close?
I mean, I think I would grade myself personally as like a C plus, B minus.
Just get up close, look at the camera, look down. Okay. We're good. I think that's a fair grade. I think what you need is practice. But I think it looks really good.
I think I might have to stay after school for more.
Mascara will make it look.
Do you have? Okay, I need to put mascara on.
I don't share mascara, so if you want to go downstairs and put on your own mascara.
Do you always put on mascara after eye makeup?
I do.
You don't make a mess?
That's what Q-tips are for.
Got it. All right.
Um,
That was the first video of helping mom put on eye makeup.
maybe next time we can do something really bright and colorful.
Okay. I want it for 4th of July. I want red, white, and blue eyes.
We might need some practice with that one.
All right. Well, we have a couple months.
If you want to see more of my mom, comment down below and let us know.
Say yay. Oh, wait. The camera's reversed. Wait. Okay. Yay, Mom. Help me go viral.
Help her go viral.
I want to be a famous YouTube star.
I'm not sure that's gonna happen, but I would love it if you could like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. Maybe hit the notification icon. All of those things would tell the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others, and it would really help me out. And I don't have a witty sign-off.
I can make one up for you.
I don't have a witty sign-off, but I will
Plug in your ear.
I don't have a witty sign-off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!
Bye!